So John from Assemble Pro, you've come to Build Day today with a really interesting problem to solve. Tell us about your business.
Yeah, so great to be here first of all, and great day out. So the business is we are for small to medium-sized construction contractors, the guys who can't necessarily afford an in-house quantity surveyor. We provide a system that allows them to get all of their quantities together, understand what materials they need for a job, input their own pricing, and yeah, be able to price so that they can make a bit of a profit.
What's the hardest technical challenge you had when you were putting this solution together?
The bones of our product is understanding and reading plans. So when users upload a set of construction drawings, we need to be able to read the size of the page and then be able to communicate clearly what the quantities are, what the measurements are. So yeah, I think that certainly caused our CTO Niall a few sleepless nights, but thankfully he got it at the end.
And using AI to solve this problem?
Yeah, I think Niall has been deep in the weeds of the Claude code, and he's certainly testing the boundary limits of what they're prepared to give him, but he's been utilising it really efficiently, and I think I've been blown away by what he's been able to put together in such a short period of time. So I think it's a brave new world we're in now.
Yeah. And how are you using Stripe in this solution?
So we are a 14-day free trial. So, that's obviously that product-led growth first mindset. And Stripe is basically registering a user when they come in, when they start their free trial, and giving us the countdown. Then once their trial is over, pending they've enjoyed the product itself, they're able to sign up for either a monthly or an annual subscription, and Stripe is taking care of all of that, which is a real headache that I don't have. So I can pass the buck over to Stripe on that one, which has been super helpful.
Now you came to Build Day here in Dublin, with problems to solve, and you've met a lot of people today. What have you learned, and what have you managed to fix as a result?
I think one of the big things I was coming to this event specifically for was to kind of understand what products are on offer, and then around like usage-based pricing. So as I mentioned, we are very much a kind of a monthly or an annual subscription, but we're implementing AI to be able to read the finishing schedules or the call-offs on construction drawings. And I think that's something that we could charge our users on a per call-off or a per scope basis. So I think I got some great knowledge downstairs about kind of what the best practices are for that, how to position it. So yeah, it's been super valuable in that regard.
Which countries are you operating in currently, and where are you planning to go?
At the moment, we are in Ireland, the UK, and in Texas. I think Texas people think that they are a country to themselves. So we've got one in Texas and one in California. So we're expanding there. So we've only just started and kind of growing nicely.
And so for anybody wanting to try this out, they can find you at assemblepro.com.
That's the very place. They can sign up for a free trial, 14 days, no credit card, just a set of construction drawings, and away you go.
Well, thanks so much for coming into Build Day today and sharing your business. It's fascinating.